So not good. Yes. So Donna, me see our pretty flowers in jacuzzi. Hey, so I want this. I want this. Donna, I want this. Oh, okay. So Don gonna have privacy while you have show anyway.
Oh my God, we got 2 glass over here.
Okay.
Look at
Yes.
this. So nice.
Okay.
This is what Serge has done
For
me
okay.
and my friend.
And me too, the videographer.
This is Serge.
Champagne.
Let me see around here. Come
Open the back patio. Let's see. Somebody put on the bag. Let's see what's going on. The back view.
Oh my God, the view is so nice. Woo.
All right.
This is awesome.
All right.
Oh, wow.
All right. Look at the gardens.
This is
Peaceful.
This reminds me of home.
This one looks like Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Down a yard.
Punta Cana. Dominican Republic. Up. All the way up.
Dan says something, the man says something.
I'm loving it.
Loving it. Over, and we're out.